Okay guys, this is an extra little lesson that I am putting together just to show you how some shapes can have lots of different nets that make them work. So the cube is one that has lots of different patterns that you could lay flat and then fold back together to create your cube. And because there are so many, this isn't even all of them, we just want you to be able to identify that there can be more than one. So again, this is something that I would have you guys look at and create in class with our journal. So this is an example of something from last year where they had to find the cube, cut it out, match it to the different nets. And then you have your triangular prism, and look at all these different nets that you could create. So all of these are patterns that you would fold together to get this shape. The rectangular prism, pretty much the net for that is the same, but the shapes of the sizes, I should say, the sizes of the rectangles change depending on what type of rectangular prism it is. But the basic format is that you would have your 4 rectangles and then you have your sides that fold together to be either the sides or the bases. Okay, and then we have cone, which we don't really need to know about in 6th grade, but I do like the kids to see what the net would look like for that. And then the rectangular pyramid, so you notice that you have this rectangle as your base, and then these are your sides, your faces, that would fold together to create your faces of the triangle. Okay, and then I'm going to flip it over onto the back. And here we have the square pyramid. So you have your square in the middle, that's your base, and then your faces are the triangle again. And then a cylinder, which we don't need to know about. So I did email you guys this paper too. So if you want to have that to help you, when we start to talk about surface area, this is going to be a really big help, especially when we first start, because we're going to be using the patterns to create this, or to find the surface area.